Hi, welcome back. My name is Vidy, and if you're new here, please subscribe because I post videos about reviews, just my lifestyle, vlogs, challenges, all the stuff going on, all the fun stuff. You know what I mean. I've already unboxed them, so I'm gonna show you guys the unboxing video for our first impression coming in. So that'll be out right now.
Oh wow. So we got rocking out here. Nice little kit. Little fishing kit. Got your little foldable Plusinno fishing. Oh, I knew it too, huh?
I chose black instead of blue.
Look at that.
There was
Beautiful.
two options. I could have gotten black, but I could have gotten
nice.
blue, but I gotten the black for the kids.
What do you think about it? That's pretty cool. Just a little case here to protect it, to keep it closed in. Move. Like all the little bit here too. And go fishing. Pop it open. Oh, little worms here. Got little shiners. You got your sinkers in here. Little lighters for night fishing. Now, the question is, I'm pretty sure that it's already in here, but the bobbers. We need the bobbers for fishing. And here's this piece that you have to connect with it. And here's one bobber. Comes with one bobber. So you pop it there, it goes in there, hooks there. See here? Like that, hook it there so it stays and it'll float, and once the fish gets to it, I'll yank it down this way and I'll let you know there's a fish on the line. But this is a really nice little kit, easy to go, moves pretty quickly, which we could obviously didn't really show you guys this yet. But this is what it comes with. Your new little roller there. Put your string there. Go ahead and you connect it into your ring. Out the ring. Go ahead and reel that bad boy in.
Okay, since you guys saw my unboxing quick little video, because someone was impatient, he's the one with the fishing things. But let's get into the more details and colors. So yes, he's kind of went in there. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more on what it has. So yes, it does come in here. Came in with this little thank you note. I like how it has every little thing. And this one more time, the floating little thing. And we have this. Let me unopen it because it's just showing a freaking glare. But look at that. The fish. Let me take out the fish at least. Look at that fish. There's like so much more in here, but all those little cute things already in there. It's like the worms, fake worms. The gels, tickle. Comes with a little everything of it, you know, as a fishing set. You don't have to go to the store and then get all the other equipment stuff because it comes with it. It has its own strap in there. It has its own little pocket. There's 2 pocket sides in there. If you guys have not noticed, you guys can see it. 2 sides pockets, one right here, one right here. And the strap, I have it right here in this area. Inside here. I mean, obviously you could put other things in here, but but that's what was in there. It was strapping this up. He already placed this in for me because he is wanting to go fishing very soon already and test this out. And that's what I'm going to be showing you guys in the end of the video of our experience with the fishing net. But the only thing we're a little bit concerned is I like the grip of it. You know, it has the rubber grip. Well, not rubber grip. It's like a, I don't know, I can't explain it. That feeling, you know. If you guys could see it, then there you guys go. But yeah, go ahead and look at it. It has a protector thing piece, like a little belt. So I'll take it down and just pull it out. And we're a little bit concerned. I don't know if it's just because it spins around, because it does spin, you know. But when he flings it, he's all concerned about why. The first time was our concern is why were these pieces upward or the opposite of this piece, because you're supposed to hold it here like this position, and well, he's here thinking it goes this position. But look at it though, it opens it up like no problem. And then just throw it in there, you know, then put it back into the place. But just a little concerned about the spinning part, but it seems to be perfectly fine though, no biggie about it though. But for my opinion, I think it's like actually a good deal for this. Oh, my nose is really irritating me, but yes. Yeah, there it is. There's my thank you. I am thankful. Thank you for sending this to me as well. My thank you for. Took me 2 days with the Amazon Prime account, you know. You can get him on Amazon. I'll put the description down below if you guys are interested for this kind of fishing net. But other than that, we're just gonna go ahead and continue on to the other part of the video. But before I do, I just want to say for now, for what I'm feeling is like I think this is a good fishing net for kids too, because it gets everything in there, you know, on the go. Put it in the storage too. It's very nice. I like it. Everything in there for first time use, you know, for people who are not knowing how to shop. Buy this on Amazon. It already has everything in it. So let's just go ahead and now finally go to the video and see how our experience is going with the fishing net.
Hello everybody. I just want to go ahead and share. We're all here for fishing. Now we just see if we catch anything. Good here. 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 Now we will in. So you watch, not watch, good watch.
Thank you guys for coming by, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this review video, and please let me know if you have any requests, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
Yeah.